Good day everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Junalyn Bagaporo Sumili and I'm going to share with you on how to make a canapé or hors d'oeuvres. And now we have the equipments here that I'm going to use. First, we have the measuring cups. So these are the measuring cups. And the next is measuring spoons. So these are the measuring spoons here. And the next is balloon wire whisk. So this is the balloon wire whisk to make a whipped cream. And then the next is offset cake icing spatula. So this is the offset cake icing spatula here. And the next is stoneware bowl. So this is the stoneware bowl. And the next is stainless steel mixing bowl. So this is the stainless steel mixing bowl. And the next is chopping board or the white chopping board. The next is spoon. So this is a spoon. The next is small ladle. So this is a small ladle. The next is parking knife. So this is the parking knife. And the next is peeler. I'm going to use peeler. The next is plates. So I have plates here. These are the plates that I'm going to use. So the last one is soup pot. So I have here the soup pot, guys. So before I'm going to introduce my ingredients here, first we must wear our gloves. It is necessary to wear gloves, guys, kasi yung pagkain na gagawin natin is ready to eat na siya. And the last one is we must towels here. So in my right hand I have my face towel. And my left hand also I have my hand towel. And now we have the ingredients here that I'm going to use. First is we have paprika. Second is tuna. Next is tomato, black pepper, salt, bell pepper, and then lemon, chili powder, mayonnaise here, cheese, loaf bread, cucumber, crackers. I prefer to use feta. So the last one is we have eggs here. So I have eggs here that I'm going to use to make some deviled egg. The next is we have piping tube here. And the next is piping bag. So here we have the piping bag here. We have toothpicks. It is necessary that we have our toothpicks. And the last one is we have water. So guys, I have 4 types of canapes here. First is we have tuna mayonnaise canape. And the second one is rolling whipped cream cucumber canape. And the third is tomato cheesy canape. And the last one is deviled eggs. First step is to boil some eggs. So first, we are going to make tuna mayonnaise canape. So the ingredients of tuna mayonnaise canape are the following. First, we have tuna, and then mayonnaise, salt, bell pepper, black pepper, and then bread here. So first, 1 cup of tuna. And the second one is 1/4 of mayonnaise. And then the next is salt. And then bell pepper. And the next is celery. Oh, the celery, guys, is the next here. And then the black pepper. Tsaka natin ito ihalo guys. Guys, ito yung tuna canape. So, magpipiting na tayo. Ang gamitin ko na lang ay biscuit. So sa bread guys, kailangan natin ito i-move. Kailangan natin itong alisin. So our next is rolling whipped cream cucumber canape. So the ingredients of the whipped cream cucumber canape is the following: egg white, mayonnaise, smashed boiled egg, lemon juice, tomato, salt, black pepper, and then cucumber. So first is we have to boil egg. And the second one is to make a whipped cream by using our balloon wire whisk. So, kailangan natin gumawa ng whipped cream. Set aside this one. I-smash natin ito guys, yung boiled egg natin. So the next is tomato cheesy canape. And the last one is deviled egg.